Eat Your Kappa with me, Nambi. So I was going through my old hard disk and I found an old unreleased video, and this video was shot in my backyard. I'm so excited to release this video, and this dish that I'm cooking in this video is a Zomi dish, and it is a Mehpok made out of taro leaves. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So Mehpok is basically a congee, a Southeast Asian congee, or a Southern Indian congee. It's a rice gruel, and the Zomi flavor their Mehpok with a variety of vegetables, green leafy vegetables, or with herbs. And this particular Mehpok that I'm making is flavored with taro leaves.
This is what we are looking for. We are not going to be cooking the taro, we're going to be cooking the leaves of the taro. Baby's crying, I can hear her. There you go. We are going to cook the leaves today and not the taro. Let's go. Let's give them a quick wash and we're ready to go.
The ingredients required to make this dish are half a cup of short grained rice, few pieces of smoked pork, 1 teaspoon of cooking soda, 2 to 3 tender taro leaves, and salt to taste.
First things first, let's put the rice on boil. Oh, cooking outside. The smoke's killing me.
Let's cut the smoked pork into smaller chunks. Add in the meat chunks. Meanwhile, tear the taro leaves.
You don't have to worry about the size. You don't have to worry about the size of the leaves. The sodium bicarbonate will do its work. Now, in Northeast, we mainly tear the leaves with hand because we believe that it tastes much better. Still needs cooking. Let's add the kalchi.
Once it gets thick, add the ginger.
And some salt. Once it comes to a very thick consistency, it is done and you can take it off the flame.
Thank you so much for watching Eat Your Kappa. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast.